Hello everybody, look where I'm at tonight. Tonight I am at the Lights of the Ozarks at the downtown Fayetteville Square. And so today I'm gonna take you through, since we balled out yesterday at Knoll, Missouri. I came down to the Fayetteville Square to show you the lights that they have here on display. So let's go take a walk and we'll take a look at what they have to offer right here. Okay? So let's go. Okay, so I'm coming up on a little quad area over here. They have some vendors and see what else they got over here in the back. I don't see much going on. So I guess the quad area is where they have the bathrooms back there, as you can see. Yeah, that's where they have the bathrooms. So let's go take a look. Let me show you this out here. Anyway, here's some more lights out there that they have. As you can see, there's the square. And so there's where some of the lights are. There's one side. I'll take you through the other side in just a moment. Yeah, so anyway, it's not that big, but it's very nice. It's decorated pretty nice. I'll just walk you around. Right here they have some kind of a photo lighted area. I guess an area where you can take your pictures. Look at this. A Razorback hog right here. All lit up real nice. Look at that. Yeah, that's the Razorback hog from the Arkansas area here. Okay, I'm gonna go see what they got over here. There's people walking in this place a lot. I'm gonna see what it is. Oh, okay. It's a restaurant. But anyway, I'm gonna walk over into the middle part of the square right now, and we'll go take a look and see what else they got over there. Okay, let's go. So this is some of the decorations that they put up here at the Fayetteville Lights. You can see right there. They even got a photo bench for people to come and take photos. Not too bad, huh? So like I said, this is Fayetteville Downtown Square Lights of the Ozarks of 2021. So I'm out here right now giving you a tour of the square. You can see there they decorated the entire square. A lot of different lights out here. A lot of different things. They even lit up the bulletin board. As you can see right there, it's all lit up. We got more things going on over here.
Can you guys do some with the other walking?
Yeah. Look at this. Someone even has a Christmas tree way up at the top of the building up there. Changing colors and things. Look at that. Wow, that's pretty neat. Boy, there sure is a lot of people out tonight.
Well, stop trying to run off.
Boy, look at this. There's another side of the square, and they put lights all over this big tree. Right here down in the downtown square. Look at that. Get a real good look at that. Wow. Yeah, they decorated it pretty nice. Look at this. We got a vendor here. Selling all kinds of pastries. Let's go look at the menu. They got here. They got all kinds of pastries for you to enjoy here while you're at the Fayetteville Lights. Just look at that. Beaver Trail. Yeah, they have it all decorated around the whole entire square. As you can see, I'm gonna try to pan over here real fast. Get you to get a view of everything that's going on over here. So anyway, as you can see, look at that. Nice crowd all the way around, as you can see. So yeah. So next time when you're around in Fayetteville, Arkansas, bring the whole family. Come down and come in view of the lights here in the downtown square in Fayetteville, Arkansas. There's a lot of lights to see. Look at that. This tree, how nicely colored it is. Just take a look at this. This is one of the trees and one of the lighted areas you'd see right here in Fayetteville. So yeah, I recommend you bring the family. Come and spend, you know, an hour or two maybe, you know, looking at the different lights and the way it's decorated. And by the way, they do have vendors here, so you can come and get your desserts or foods or things like that as well. So yeah, look at this. Just take a look. See how well lit it is. And look what we got here. We even got a Santa. There he is. Santa Claus.
They were like, oh my god.
Oh, maybe there's a Christmas light.
He's having dinner right now. Part. Wow, look at all the lights. Got it very well lit out here. Look at that. We got another picture booth here. We can get pictures taken. Yeah. That's another spot where they can take pictures at. Right there. So, yeah. Look how it is down there. So let's go take a look at the other side. Let's go. Let me give you a shot of the other side of the square. You can see. Very well lit. All kinds of lights. I mean, it's a little darker on this side than it is on the other side. But even then, it's pretty well lit. Okay, I'm going to go up these steps over here. I hope the children don't trip me. Yeah, let's go take a look at this other side over here. Yeah. Hey, look at this. Look who's here. The Little Red Barn Churro. Yeah, the Little Red Barn Churros is here. They're here. Yeah, we have our own cheers. So, remember all those guys? Yep, we got a place right here. Anyway, let's take a look.
Hey! Don't worry, it doesn't hurt.
Let's see what one of those looks like. Boy, you're not even letting us
One
see.
balloon for Corbin!
Hey, bro. He likes me better.
Okay, that was the lights of the Ozarks down in Fayetteville Square, and so that was the show. But anyway, we're gonna head out now. We're gonna go back to back home, and so anyway, that was today's episode of El Ladron Vlogs.